The most straightforward way to connect dual monitors to your laptop is through direct port connections. Modern laptops typically have multiple video output ports that make this possible. First, identify the available video ports on your laptop. Most modern laptops feature an HDMI port and at least one USB-C port. These two ports can each drive a separate monitor. Connect your first monitor to the HDMI port using a standard HDMI cable. This provides a reliable connection that supports high resolutions and refresh rates. For the second monitor, connect it to the USB-C port. Most modern USB-C ports support DisplayPort Alt mode, which can output video signals directly to external displays. USB-C with DisplayPort Alt mode is particularly powerful. A single USB-C port can support up to 8K displays or multiple 4K monitors, making it an excellent choice for high-resolution setups. Modern laptops with HDMI 2.1 can support even higher performance, enabling 4K at 120 Hz or 8K at 60 Hz output. This ensures smooth performance for demanding applications. The direct connection method is the simplest approach, requiring no additional hardware beyond the appropriate cables. However, it is limited by the number of video output ports available on your laptop. When your laptop has limited video output ports, USB-C hubs and adapters provide an effective solution for connecting multiple monitors. USB-C hubs offer multiple video outputs, including HDMI, DisplayPort, and VGA ports. A single USB-C connection can drive multiple monitors through multi-stream transport technology. Important requirement: your laptop's USB-C port must support DisplayPort Alt mode to enable video output through the hub. USB to HDMI adapters provide an alternative solution using USB 3.0 ports and DisplayLink chipsets. These require driver installation, but work with older laptops lacking USB-C ports. DisplayPort daisy chaining allows connecting multiple monitors in sequence, but requires monitors with multi-stream transport support and shares bandwidth between displays. USB adapters excel at productivity tasks like office work and web browsing, but have limited performance for gaming or video editing due to processing overhead. USB-C hubs and adapters offer a cost-effective, compatible solution for dual monitor setups, providing excellent value for productivity-focused users.